Everyone, so how we can enable our dark mode in Windows 11? So how we can do that? Just right click on your desktop bar and you can see the personalize option. Okay, so click on personalize option. When you click on personalize option, you can see the themes page, theme icon. Okay, this theme icon you have to click on it. Okay, when you click on it, this theme icon, you can customize your theme or customize your background. Just like I can see this is the my light background. Okay, this is my light background. You can see the light background. Okay, this one is a dark background. So when I click the dark background, voila, so everything become dark background. Okay, you can see here's the dark background. There are many background here, so you can choose whatever you want to choose. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya in the next video. Okay, bye.